name is Ali Saad. I am the manager of Crunchy Samba. I live in Cape Town, South Africa. We do manufacture of chips and we specialize in snacks. We have 5 products. I saw ZIRVE on YouTube and we had a meeting in Turkey. We went that side to get 2 lines and 3 packaging machines. We got them to South Africa. After that, they managed to fix them, set them up, and we started working nicely with them. ZIRVE service was excellent. We had a quality service and a good performance from the owners of ZIRVE and their employees. Thank you, ZIRVE. You should go and buy the machines. They work very well.